Well, I'm in Shasta, California, getting ready to go back to Wairika. The bus came through Wairika, but they don't stop there, so I have to get another bus to go back to Wairika, and then I have a ride from Wairika to Etna to get back on and start northbound in Etna. I have a brace on my knee. Can you see it? There it is. It's still just a little bit ouchy. It's not bad, so I think it'll be all right. Hiking. So I'm going to start hiking this afternoon about 2 o'clock. I've been staying in the Eugene area with my cousins, but I heard there's no snow in Etna, so I'm headed there to hike, and I'm going to hike northbound. Lovely weather. It's cold, it's windy, it's raining. I just got to the Etna trailhead, but I'm going this way. I went the other way last time. Northbound. Wow, that's a good welcome to California. I'm in Etna, California, and it is cold and windy and rainy. It's much better in here underneath the trees. But I mean, out in the wind, it is so cold. So, I don't think they have wild hogs out here. So the trail's being dug up by something, and it's big, so I'm assuming bears. There's a lot of digging going on down there, and bigger holes that I've already passed. So I'll be watching for bears now. Big areas of the earth just dug up for something. Like right here, look. I mean, that is huge. Big chunks of earth just pulled out. In South Carolina, I would lean toward wild hogs, but I don't know if they have those here. See, there's another spot where something's just dug a huge hole. Trail maintainers have been out here, though. The trail has been cleared, so that's really good. It means I can make a little bit faster progress. Lots of flowers out here. Yep, it's windy, it's raining. I'm behind some trees right now, so I can actually talk to you without the wind blowing too much. But I am so happy. There are no blowdowns and there is no snow. I can actually make progress. It's amazing. Look, clear trail. Can you believe it? Not a single blowdown. I'm at 6,500 feet and going up still. It is cold. I'm planning on doing a bunch of miles. As long as I can keep moving, hopefully I can stay warm. If not, I'll have to set up my tent. Whew. I would like one day of good hiking. Every single day it's something. Snow, blowdowns, now wind, rain, and it's about 40 degrees right now. This wind chill is ridiculous. It's so cold. I've been in a burn zone for a little while, and there was no protection from the wind whatsoever. It was whipping, and I was on the windy side of the mountain. I just dropped over onto the other side of the mountain, so I'm a little more protected, and I can actually slow down enough to video. I've been having to go fast just to keep warm. My lips are frozen. I'm okay. I'm not shivering or anything like that yet, but if I stop, I will be. This is all the blowdowns I've been seeing. Just this. I can all step over every single one of them. I'm back in some trees, so the wind's not quite so bad in here in the rain. It's cold, but it's better. The temperature is dropping. I'm going to take the next campsite I can find that's sheltered and not in a burn zone. I think it's about 3 miles ahead. I should be able to find something. Oh, I am camped in a terrible spot. It's right in the wind, out in the open, because it's in a burn zone. So it's really, really windy. I am really, really cold. So if I have to move, I can move later, but I've got to get warm first. I am definitely shivering now. I can hardly hold the phone still. I'm in my sleeping bag. All my stuff is wet. All my clothes are wet. It is really cold. About 2 hours in, my body's finally warming up, and my feet and hands are still a little cold, but they'll warm up as my body warms up. I've been able to get some food in me. I just had a bar. It's way too cold, windy, and rainy to cook anything. It has just been horrible weather. But there's a little break in the rain right now, a little break in the hard wind. It's still real windy, but it's more of a breeze than anything else at the moment.